Welcome back. Right now I'm going to show you how to import your own custom logo into CRICUT. Open your file and hit the wrench icon in the top left corner. The file must be a JPEG or PDF, so select either. Afterwards, scroll down and select Save to Files. Select a folder and give your file a title such as Logo. Now you're ready to move on to CRICUT. Open the CRICUT app and open a grid with a cutting reference. Select Browse Files and go to the folder you just saved your logo in. Once you've selected your logo, a new pop-up will appear. To make your background transparent, tap on the Select tool on the bottom left and then tap on the white parts. A magnifying glass will appear to assist in removing the background. Hit Apply, then follow the prompts in order to upload it. Once uploaded, adjust to your desired dimensions. Remember to always insert a cutting reference square with half-inch dimensions and edit coordinates in relation to that square. These steps will apply for all types of cuts. When you're done, select all the shapes and then press Attach. This is essential. Moving on to the cut preview, select the appropriate mat and finalize your positioning. Go into the material library and select medium garment leather. You can add bookmarks to your favorite materials. We've already shown how to load the mat in previous tutorials, so our mat is already in our CRICUT machine. Just listen to that peel. Fantastic job, everyone. Don't forget to tag us at Brooklyn Shoe Space.